Hey everybody, Wes with Corncob CB Shop here with a big announcement. This channel has been invited to join Toad's Discord. That's right, you guys, whether you're a member, a viewer, or you just so happen to stumble upon this channel right now, you're invited to go to the link in the description below to join Toad's Discord. Now, hear me out. I don't really know what Toad's means, but we're invited. That's right, go to the link in the description, join the community. This is a friendly community. The friendliest place this side of QRZ, whether you're an amateur radio operator or a CBer or you're just a nerd, this Discord has something for you. Don't be in the Discord. Make sure that you're friendly. If you're grumpy, we don't want you. But scroll on down to the 11-meter crew. You'll find your new home for this channel in the Toads Discord. My friend Steve over there started this community and has grown it into something big, and we're super glad to be a part of it. So head on over, Toads Discord. Never expires link is in the description. 73. Thanks for watching.